Okay, area of a trapezoid formula says this. It says area equals 1/2 the height times base 1 plus base 2. So we need to know all that information if we're going to calculate the area. Okay, so let's look at what we know. We have, in this triangle, we have one of those special triangles over here. Okay, this side is 8, and that's the hypotenuse. What is the short leg in a 30, 60, 90? It is half of that. So that means this section is 4. Yeah, and they're giving us this whole side is 18. That whole side measures 18, but this piece of it measures 4. And if that's 4, then the rest of it is 14, the other 14. So that means this is 14, which makes this 14 as well. And that's what we're then going to fill in. We've just found a piece of information. 14. Now we're going to figure out the height. Well, we figured out that this section is 4. That little piece is 4. And then if that's 4, and this is a 30, 60, 90, then the long leg is 4 times square root of 3. We found that other next piece of information, 4 root 3. And in fact, now we can fill in all the information that we know. We've got the height of 4 root 3. And we've got base 1 of 14, and base 2 of 18. And now we're saying 1/2 of 4 root 3 times, these two go together to be 32. Okay? So I can do 1/2 of 4 root 3. That's 2 root 3. Dealt with that 1/2, and then times 32. And what is 2 root 3 times 32? That is 64 root 3. And what are the units? They were feet. So it becomes feet squared is what the area is. And you see that up there in answer 2, B, 64 root 3. How did we do that? We found the short base at the top by subtracting away this length that we knew. And we knew that length because we're dealing with a special right triangle. So if that's 8, that's 4. And then if that's 4, that's 4 root 3, and now we've got the height. We just use those numbers.